A new kind of digital money, introducing PiNetwork and its ambitious price. PiNetwork is a new type of digital currency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, PiNetwork aims to be more inclusive and user-friendly. It is designed to be mined on mobile devices, making it accessible to a broader audience. It aims to be easy to use and accessible to everyone. The developers of PiNetwork have focused on creating a platform that is simple and intuitive, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can participate in the digital currency revolution. One of the most interesting things about PiNetwork is its price. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that have their value determined by market forces, the PiNetwork community has set a consensus price. The community has set a consensus price of 1 Pi to $314,159. This figure is symbolic, representing the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately 3.14159. This price is very high compared to other cryptocurrencies. For instance, Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, has a fluctuating price that is often much lower than this ambitious figure. It reflects the high aspirations of the Pi community. The community believes in the potential of PiNetwork to revolutionize the digital currency space and bring about significant changes in how we perceive and use money. Many people are excited about the potential of Pi. They see it as a groundbreaking project that could democratize access to digital currency and provide new opportunities for financial inclusion. Others are more cautious and want to see how it develops. They are waiting to see if PiNetwork can deliver on its promises and achieve widespread adoption before fully committing to the project. The value of a shared vision. Understanding Pi's consensus-based pricing. PiNetwork uses a unique approach to determine its price. Instead of relying solely on market forces, Pi relies on community consensus. This means that the price of Pi is determined by what the community believes it is worth. The high consensus price of $314,159 reflects the community's strong belief in the project's potential. However, it's important to note that this consensus price is not yet reflected in the wider market. A world transformed? Exploring the potential impact of a $314,159 Pi. Imagine a world where a single Pi coin is worth over $300,000. This isn't just a dream for some. It's a potential reality that could reshape our financial landscape. If PiNetwork achieves its ambitious price target, it could have a significant impact on the world. The implications of such a high valuation are vast and far-reaching. From individual wealth to global economic shifts, the ripple effects could be monumental. A $314,159 Pi would make many early adopters incredibly wealthy. Early investors and miners who believed in the project from the beginning would see their faith and patience rewarded in unimaginable ways. This could lead to a redistribution of wealth on a global scale. People from all walks of life across different countries and economic backgrounds could find themselves in newfound positions of financial power and influence. It could also make Pi a major player in the global economy. With such a high valuation, Pi could rival traditional currencies and even other established cryptocurrencies, becoming a cornerstone of the digital financial world. Businesses might start accepting Pi as payment for goods and services. From local shops to international e-commerce platforms, the integration of Pi into everyday transactions could become commonplace. However, it's important to remember that this is all hypothetical. While the potential is exciting, the reality of achieving such a high valuation is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. The actual impact of Pi remains to be seen. As with any investment, it's crucial to approach with caution and stay informed. The future of Pi is still unfolding, and only time will tell if it can truly transform the world. Pi in the cryptocurrency landscape. Comparing apples to oranges and Bitcoin. Comparing PiNetwork to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is difficult. While Bitcoin is a well-established entity in the cryptocurrency world, PiNetwork is still in its nascent stages. This makes direct comparisons challenging and often misleading. Pi is still in its early stages of development. It is currently in a phase where it is building its user base and refining its technology. This is a crucial period for any cryptocurrency, as it sets the foundation for future growth and adoption. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been around for over a decade. Since its inception in 2009, It has gone through numerous phases of development, adoption, and market fluctuations. Its longevity has allowed it to build a robust infrastructure and gain widespread recognition. It has a large and established market. Bitcoin's market capitalization is a testament to its dominance in the cryptocurrency space. It is often referred to as the gold standard of digital currencies, with a market cap that dwarfs many other cryptocurrencies. Pi, on the other hand, is still in a pre-launch phase. This means it is not yet available for trading on major exchanges, and its value is not determined by market forces. Instead, its value is speculative and based on the potential it holds. Its value is based on community belief rather than market trading. The strength of PiNetwork lies in its community. The more people believe in its potential and join the network, the stronger it becomes. This grassroots approach is different from the market-driven value of Bitcoin. It's also important to consider the different goals of these projects. Bitcoin aims to be a store of value, often referred to as digital gold. It is designed to be a decentralized and secure way to store wealth. Bitcoin aims to be a decentralized digital gold. Its primary function is to serve as a hedge against traditional financial systems and provide a secure, immutable ledger of transactions. PiNetwork, on the other hand, aims to be a widely used digital currency for everyday transactions. Its goal is to create a user-friendly and accessible cryptocurrency that can be used by anyone, anywhere, for daily purchases and transactions. This vision is fundamentally different from Bitcoin's, highlighting the diverse potential uses of cryptocurrencies. Section 5. The $314,159 question, Belief, Skepticism, and the Future of PiNetwork. The high consensus price of PiNetwork has generated both excitement and skepticism. Some people believe that Pi has the potential to revolutionize the financial system. They point to its ease of use and accessibility. Others are more cautious. They argue that the high price is not supported by any real-world value. Only time will tell what the future holds for PiNetwork. It's important to approach this and any other cryptocurrency with a healthy dose of skepticism. Section 6. The Power of Community, How PiNetwork Leverages Collective Effort. One of PiNetwork's defining features is its emphasis on community. The project heavily relies on its users to grow and develop. Users contribute to the network by mining Pi on their mobile devices and by actively participating in the community. This community-driven approach is reflected in Pi's consensus-based pricing mechanism. The community collectively determines the value of Pi. This strong sense of community is both a strength and a potential challenge. It can foster rapid growth, but also lead to groupthink and unrealistic expectations. Section 7. Decentralization and Accessibility. Pi's vision for a more inclusive financial system. PiNetwork aims to create a more inclusive financial system. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to people who are unfamiliar with blockchain technology. The project's mobile-first approach allows users to mine and use Pi on their smartphones. This eliminates the need for expensive mining equipment. PiNetwork also emphasizes user education. It provides resources and support to help users understand cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. By making cryptocurrency more accessible, PiNetwork hopes to empower individuals and promote financial inclusion. Section 8. Challenges and Uncertainties. Navigating the road ahead for PiNetwork. Despite its ambitious goals, PiNetwork faces several challenges and uncertainties. One major challenge is the project's lack of a live mainnet. Until Pi launches on a mainnet, its true value and functionality remain uncertain. Another challenge is regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. The success of PiNetwork will depend on its ability to overcome these challenges and navigate the evolving regulatory landscape. Section 9. Conclusion. A bold experiment with an uncertain outcome. PiNetwork represents a bold experiment in the world of cryptocurrency. Its unique approach to pricing, community building, and accessibility has garnered significant attention. Whether PiNetwork can achieve its ambitious goals and live up to its community's high expectations remains to be seen. The future of PiNetwork is uncertain. However, the project's focus on community and accessibility makes it a fascinating case study in the evolving landscape of digital currencies.